Hi everyone, happy Monday. Today's story is a windy day. It was a windy day. Grandma is washing sheets. Pipkin is helping her. The wind will soon blow the sheets dry, says Grandma. Grandma is waiting for the next peg. Can you go a little bit faster? She asks. Grandma is called away. There are still 2 sheets left to hang up. Pipkin has an idea. Pipkin asks Grandpa to help.
This is not as easy as it looks,
says Grandpa. The wind is playing tricks. It's pulling at the pegs, and the pegs are getting loose. The wind blows very hard. The pegs fly into the air like birds. Pipkin can see what's going to happen. Look out, Grandpa! He shouts, but he's too late. Before Grandpa can move, a flying sheet wraps itself around him. Help! Shouts Grandpa. The more Pipkin tries to untangle Grandpa, the more tangled Grandpa gets. Grandma screams. She thinks Pipkin is fighting with a ghost. Don't be afraid, says Pipkin. It's only Grandpa.
Get me out of here,
says Grandpa. Grandma takes charge. Keep still, she says to Grandpa. Unwind that way, she says to Pipkin. Are you all right? asks Pipkin.
I think so,
says Grandpa. Grandma takes the sheet down to wash it again. Look up there, gasps Pipkin. What shall we do, Grandpa? Grandma will be cross if she sees the sheet on the roof. They must do something quickly. Hurry up, whispers Pipkin.
I am hurrying,
whispers Grandpa. Grandpa is hiding in the sheet. Grandpa makes sure the sheet will not blow away again. He pushes the pegs down very hard. The wind cannot pull the pegs off. Grandma cannot pull the pegs off either. Pipkin goes to get Grandpa.
How did your sweater get like that?
asks Grandma. Grandpa and Pipkin know, but they are not telling. And don't you? The end.